Welcome to the harvest. Today, we turn these giant pomelos into 3 impossible things.
We are making premium juice, sweet candied peels, and liquid gold oil. You HAV to watch until the end to see the final quality test.
But first, subscribe to Daily Factory Process right now. Let's get to work.
It all starts here, the world's largest pomelo plantation.
August. These fruits are heavy, about 2 kilograms each. Our team moves like a machine before we even reach the factory.
It's already 30 degrees out here.
And here comes the beast.
Welcome to the Daily Factory Process, where we handle the heavy lifting from the field to the transportation of our goods.
Loading up, 50 tons in 30 minutes.
We keep the cargo at exactly 10 degrees.
Efficiency is our middle name.
Sealed for freshness. Next stop, the factory.
It's a 2-hour drive to the processing facility.
We are tracking the shipment via GPS.
Smooth roads ahead. Smooth roads ahead.
There it is, the Daily Factory Process HQ.
We are entering the sterile zone. Security is tight. Backing up. Steady.
This is where the magic starts. 50 tons. 1 hour to unload.
Look at that flow. Controlled chaos.
Hector.
They are heading to the washing station. This floor is cleaner than a hospital.
No fruit gets left behind.
Solid, heavy, perfect for oil extraction.
First step, the bubble bath.
We use ozone water to kill bacteria.
Scrubbing every pore.
Now, we dry them off. Look how they shine, ready for the great split. Lasers measure the skin thickness. This one has thick skin, perfect for candy.
Left for juice. Right for oil. Center for candy.
This guy is gonna become premium juice.
And this one, full of zest. destined for oil.
This machine is the surgeon. It separates the skin, the pith, and the flesh.
Gently. Hold it tight.
The green skin goes to the distillery for oil.
The white pith. This for some of your train swinging freaks, usually trash, but for us, it's candy.
And finally, the pink gold.
Three paths, zero waste. Let's follow the juice first.
Look at that oil content. This will be boiled in sugar later.
Entering the juice zone.
The crusher. 50 tons of pressure. We filter it, but keep the good bits. Flash heating to kill bacteria, keeping the vitamins. 10,000 bottles an hour.
En die coterie meer met de tapping en crushing de vier pisten voor in de 6 prices.
Sealed tight.
Product 1, complete. Now, let's get sticky.
Line B. The white pith enters the hot zone.
Sugar is the preservative here.
They boil for 4 hours until translucent.
Look at that color change. Like amber.
Purple, hot and sticky.
Drying out the moisture to make it chewy.
The final coat of sugar.
Packaged and ready.
Product 2, done. But the most valuable part is next.
Line C, the science lab. This is where we extract the soul of the fruit.
Cold press. No heat. We can't burn the oil.
There it is, the oil gland bursting. Spinning at 10,000 RPM to separate oil from water.
Physics does the work for us.
Pure Pomelo essence. These 10 milliliter bottles are worth $50 each. Liquid gold. Done. Done.
We made 3 products, but we still have all these empty boxes and an idea. We process the fruit.
Now, what do we do with 500 empty crates? We build a Titan. Tank's full. A solid foundation is key. This thing is getting massive, 20 feet tall. Let's give it a heart.
The guardian of the factory.
One last touch. Look at that beast. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah!
Now, los tomes. Let's taste the victory.
We started with a mountain of fruit. We ended with this. First, the juice. Cold pressed. Fresh. Sweet, slightly tart. Perfect. The peels.
Chewy, sugary heaven.
And the oil smells like a summer orchard.
And the waste bin? Empty. Zero waste challenge. complete.
I'm sending this box to one subscriber who comments Pomelo below.
If you liked this process, smash that subscribe button. We have a bigger factory next week.
What should we build with the watermelon rinds? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next process.